Hey everybody, in this short video I'm going to show you how to reset the Google Home Mini. What you do is you flip it over and there's a little button here. You hold that with your finger. There's a G here below the G, and where the plug is a little button. None of the camera can see it. Anyway, you hold that. Let me flip it over so you can see. The color changes to amber.
You're about to completely reset Google Home. To cancel, release the button.
Wait till you get 4. And it should be reset already. So it's gonna reboot. Just wait till it's done. Takes about a minute to reboot. So just let it do its thing. That's probably the longest part here. I'm still here. You know, there's no movement there. See? I'm here. So we just wait for it to do its cycle. Maybe I should just forward. Oh, there you go.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Alright, so that's how you reset a Google Home Mini. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.